Now let us look at the procurement performance measures or metric. It would not be a metric, it would be some guidelines about the measurement of the procurement process. Actually, it is important to measure the performance of your procurement process. That is required. That is why it is called the procurement cycle, because you have to do it again and again. And if there are discrepancies, it will always occur. It will be the phenomena of entropy. If it becomes bad, it will become worse, it will become worst. So we need to measure the performance of our procurement cycle. What are the important performance guidelines for the performance measure of procurement? The speed of converting a requisition into a purchase order, the speediness. It is important for many organizations. The number of purchase orders processed in a day per person. So how many POs are actually processed in a day? Full load, that is complete orders delivered on time. It's an important measure. Number of stockouts. Because of the procurement or late procurement, what were the number of stockouts? Or damaged products, what were the number of stockouts? The total cost of raising a purchase order. Prices paid against market standards. So, were you competitive in selecting your suppliers? The level of expediting. How many times it was required to expedite the procurement process, and what was the cost associated with it? The number of complaints from internal customers, from your internal departments who were linked with the procurement, whose input was coming from the procurement department, how many complaints they have launched against that procurement process. And of course, the number of complaints from the supplier, for whom your procurement department is actually the customer. So were the information provided to the suppliers were complete, or were there something which was missing, and we have a process of providing our suppliers with the information in different parts, which is not good, because product information should be complete at the time of the purchase order. These are some of the important performance measures of a procurement cycle. And every organization needs to look at them, needs to measure all of these steps. They need to measure their procurement cycle so that they can improve the process of procurement. Thank you.